Once upon a time, in a small village in Germany, there lived a donkey who had faithfully served his master for many years. However, as the years went by, the donkey grew old and weak, no longer able to carry heavy loads as he used to. Fearing he would soon be sent away, the donkey decided to leave his master and head to Bremen, a town renowned for its freedom and prosperity. He had heard that in Bremen, even an old donkey could find a new life and purpose. As he trotted along the road to Bremen, the donkey met a dog lying by the roadside, panting heavily. The dog looked as though he had been running for miles without a moment's rest. The donkey asked, "Why are you lying here, friend? You look exhausted." The dog replied, "I am old and weak. My master wanted to get rid of me because I can no longer hunt. I ran away, but now I do not know where to go." The donkey, feeling a sense of camaraderie with the dog, said, "Come with me to Bremen. I'm going to become a town musician there. You can join me and find a new purpose." The dog, seeing no other options, agreed and joined the donkey on his journey. As they continued their way, they came across a cat sitting on a fence, looking miserable. "Why are you so sad, cat?" asked the donkey. The cat sighed and said, "I am old and my teeth are dull. My mistress wanted to drown me because I can no longer catch mice. I escaped, but I am at a loss for what to do next." The donkey said, "Join us. We are going to Bremen to become town musicians. You can come with us and start a new life." The cat, hopeful for a fresh start, agreed and joined the donkey and the dog. The three animals continued on their journey and soon found a rooster crowing loudly from a rooftop. "Why are you crowing so loudly, rooster?" asked the donkey. The rooster replied, "I heard my mistress say she plans to make me into soup for tomorrow's dinner. I am crowing while I still can." The donkey, always looking to help, said, "Come with us to Bremen. We are going to become town musicians. You can crow to your heart's content there." The rooster, eager to avoid his fate, agreed and joined the group. The four animals, united by their desire for a new life, set off together towards Bremen. As night fell, they found a spot in the forest to rest. The donkey and the dog lay under a large tree, the cat climbed onto a branch, and the rooster flew to the top of the tree to keep watch. As they were settling down, the rooster noticed a light in the distance. "There is a house with a light on," he said. "Perhaps we can find shelter and food there." The animals decided to investigate. When they approached the house, they saw through the window that it was occupied by a band of robbers, who were feasting and celebrating their latest heist. The donkey, being the tallest, looked inside and said, "We need to find a way to scare these robbers away so we can take the house for ourselves." The animals huddled together and devised a plan. The donkey stood on his hind legs and placed his front hooves on the windowsill. The dog climbed onto the donkey's back, the cat perched on the dog's back, and the rooster flew up to sit on the cat's head. At a signal, they all began to make a terrible noise. The donkey brayed, the dog barked, the cat meowed, and the rooster crowed. The sudden cacophony startled the robbers, who thought the house was haunted by a terrible monster. In their panic, they fled into the forest, leaving all their stolen goods behind. The animals quickly entered the house, delighted to find food and a warm place to sleep. They ate their fill and settled in for the night, each finding a comfortable spot. Later that night, the robbers, seeing that the house was now quiet, sent one of their own back to investigate. The unlucky robber entered the house cautiously, and in the darkness, he stumbled upon the cat. The cat, startled from her sleep, leapt at him, scratching his face with her claws. The robber, terrified, ran towards the door, but the dog lying in the doorway bit his leg. As he stumbled out of the house, the donkey delivered a powerful kick, and the rooster, crowing loudly from the rooftop, added to the chaos. The robber ran back to his companions, screaming, "There's a horrible witch in the house who scratched me with her long nails. By the door is a man with a knife who stabbed me in the leg. Outside there's a giant who hit me with a club, and on the roof is a judge who cried out, 'Bring the rogue here.'" Terrified by this report, the robbers decided never to return to the house. Meanwhile, the animals, having found a perfect home, decided to stay. They lived happily in the house, enjoying their newfound freedom and each other's company. They made music together and found joy in their shared adventures. As time passed, the animals became well known in the surrounding area. People came to hear the Bremen Town Musicians play, and their fame spread far and wide. The donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster had found not only a home but also a family in each other. One day, a traveler passing through the forest heard the music coming from the house. Curious, he approached and saw the animals playing together. He was so moved by their story and their music that he decided to spread the tale of the Bremen Town Musicians far and wide. The story of the Bremen Town Musicians teaches a valuable lesson about friendship and resilience. Despite being abandoned and considered useless by their former owners, the animals found a new purpose and happiness by working together and supporting each other. They proved that even in the face of adversity, one can find strength and joy in the company of friends. Years went by, and the animals continued to live in harmony. They never forgot their journey to Bremen and the bond they had formed. The house in the forest became a symbol of hope and friendship, a place where anyone seeking a new beginning could find solace. The Bremen Town Musicians had become legends in their own right, their music bringing joy to all who heard it. Their story was told and retold, inspiring countless others to seek out new opportunities and never give up, no matter how difficult life might seem. And so, the donkey, the dog, the cat, and the rooster lived out their days in happiness, their music echoing through the forest, a testament to the power of friendship and the belief that it is never too late to find a new path in life. Their tale reminds us all that when we face challenges, we should not give up hope. Instead, we should seek out new opportunities, embrace the friends we meet along the way, and always believe that there is a place where we can belong and thrive. The Bremen Town Musicians found their place, and in doing so, they left a legacy of hope and resilience for generations to come. If you enjoyed this story and found it interesting, please like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories. Your engagement helps us create more content that resonates with you and our community. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep reading, keep growing, and never stop exploring.